What is going on, YouTube? Back again. I'm going to show you real quick how we do the Eastwood voltage clean out on our gun here. And I apologize, the camera's on a stand and I may walk out a picture a time or two. But anyways, we're going to show you what we do to clean this thing off for quick changes. Like I said, we have this container here. We've got tons of them with different colors in them, and we just blow them off and then clean them out. So I'm going to show you that real quick. We've got our blow-off gun here. What you may notice is it's going to be really loud. And if my air compressor goes off, I apologize. That is extremely loud. But what you want to do is blow off all of the external dust and everything. Usually I'd have my fans running to collect it, but that is extremely noisy, and I don't want that to sound out my voice. So blow her off, get the light dust off, and then we're just going to unscrew it. I try and shake some of the loose powder off. Put the container out of reach so that you're not contaminating it with the next one. And then your rods here, you want to make sure you blow everything off. I like to blow up through where the air inlet is. It'll blow the powder back out of the tube. You got to pull the trigger when you do that to let the air in. Spray down the nozzle, make sure you get that. And that is basically it. And then you'll grab your next color, which, as you can see, it's another pink color that we're going to be spraying a cup here in a little bit. The shop's pretty dusty, so we like to blow those before even opening the lid. And then we'll take the lid, which is covered in powder, and we'll blow that off as well. And then we'll take that lid and transfer it to the old container, now that it's clean. And that will keep this powder from getting any contaminants or anything in it. So basically it's that easy. You'll take your change of powder and you'll put it on your gun and you're about ready to shoot. So the next video you see from us will be shooting powder for the first time. If you have any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe to keep you up to date as we keep running these. We've got a project we're going to do that I think will be kind of cool too when it comes to powder coating different things. So make sure to subscribe again and check us out. Thanks.